guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can sign up to the Suncorp Bank. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.suncorp.com and hit enter. After the home page of the Suncorp Bank opens up on your screen, on the right hand side of your screen you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on that button, a menu will pop up on your screen. On this menu, click on the internet banking option. After you click on the internet banking option, you will be further guided to another page. In this page, find the register for internet banking button and click on it. Once you click on that button, you will be guided to another page. In this page, click on the next button. After you click on the next button, click on the accept conditions button. Now, once you click on the accept conditions button, you'll be further guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You will have to fill in all these credentials and then click on next. Once you click on the next button, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be further guided to another page which will help you to sign up to the Suncorp Bank. I hope this video helped you to sign up to the Suncorp Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.